WITSON.
Hi guys, this is Rob from Icebox also here today. Just going to show you a new install on the transit fan. This is our 10.88 inch frame, which is new to market. They've just released this with these little bad boys that pop out there. You may think that's got its own ears, but it's not. It's actually where you put your phone, so it's a cradle for your phone. So you do come with a little magnifying disc which comes inside the package, which you stick on the back and stick your phone there. So obviously it's good for when you're driving, keeps it out the way. But it's up to you whether you want to do that or not. So they tuck away behind the screen. This comes with the frame here, and so this is your original, has buttons, but obviously the frame that goes here, and obviously this is the one with the little slide bars at either side of the air vent. This is the home page on the system here. There's an 8-core processor with 464 gig of RAM. A lot of these are shortcuts along the bottom. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rundown of what they've got. So you've got all these little physical buttons here which control the sound. There's your home button, this is your navigation button, music and back buttons and stuff like that. So obviously that's your that's your Google Maps on there. You can put any map of choice on if you want. So if you're interested in Waze or Copilot, you can do that. Also this is your Bluetooth here, so it's got full phone book support. You can stream your music to if you've got all your music on your phone through the Bluetooth. This one here is your applications, which can change it through this app. Here's your radio, which is has RDS, does work with the steering wheel controls too. Let's go back to, that's your music and movies. So if you want old-fashioned, want to put your movies or your albums onto a pen drive, and then you can do it old-fashioned through the USB cable. You can use either of these apps to play that. So that one's just your application center. So this is where all your apps go. So pretty much a lot of them you won't probably use, but I'll just give you a little rundown just to show you how quick and responsive it is. We do get a lot of questions about lag and stuff like that on Facebook and stuff like that. Not Facebook, yeah, Facebook, and we tend to stay away from the 4-core low processors and low RAM, and the reason being because they're just full of bugs and just dead slow. As you can see, it's nice and responsive. Okay, so there's your DSP sound processor. So we are doing a speaker upgrade today to the car, which you might hear a bit of background noise, but this is where it allows you to fine tune it if you're into all that type of stuff. Okay, some settings there which shows you a lot of the Android back-end settings. Let's go back on. So if you want to stick anything like a digital TV box to it, there's nothing on that today, so that's why it's a black screen. So if you've got digital TV, you can stick that in through there. Okay, this one's quite extensive. It's got like a lot of car settings on here, so obviously if you find that a lot of your original radios got any features on there for, like, you know, look, check this one out here, seat massage. If you've got massages in your seat, then you can adjust it through there. That's quite a nice feature, but it depends whether your car's got that already or not. Okay, tyre monitor. Okay, if your car's got TPMS should I say. Just give you a little bit show you a little bit more on this. Okay, let's have a look at what else we've got here. Okay, so there's your DSP. Oh, I've showed you that one, sorry, haven't I? So there's a few little apps here you're not going to pretty much use them. So obviously there's your Google Maps if you want to use that for DAB radio. So if you want to put offline dabbing, which we sell for $39.99, you can add that in through there. This one is our DVR camera, which you've installed today. That's $49.99 for the DVR camera. So obviously this is where it records your driving. Only work when your car's active. So don't if you got anyone playing with your car in the middle of the night, then obviously it's not going to record. But this will do it every time your engine goes on. It'll record obviously what you're doing. It does come with a little SIM card at the side of the DVR camera, so if you do want to take any coverage from that over for insurance purposes, you can take it over to your PC that way. This is your CarPlay and the Android Auto one. So obviously this is where we would connect our phone. This is an Apple phone I'm connected today, so this is mine. So this is just taking apps from my phone. So obviously if you're interested in CarPlay and Android Auto, that's a way of getting Apple Maps onto the system, as well as another way of connecting your Google Maps. So there's your Google there. That's where we are. Okay, so if you want to just go back out. CarPlay, okay. A few of these shortcuts which I've showed you previously. YouTube there, there's your Play Store. So if you want to download any apps onto the system, you can do it through this app store here. These two here, sync aux and phone, tend to be relatable towards your original Bluetooth. I'll be truthful with you, I've not really had a little play around with that, so as I say, you can see that there. So yeah, just bring it to an end today, guys. So if you've got any questions, give us a shout. Have a nice day.
WITSON